last lecture we have seen the if control statement. So if is the conditional control statement. So for that we have see the syntax of that if, then expression or condition. If this condition will become true, then it will run this execute this part of the statement. If it is false, then it will not execute. True, that means it's a non-zero value, and false, that means a zero value. Then we have see the nested if else within a if else condition. So we will see with that example then else if ladder. So we have seen one example, that is the small or capital letter. So user will enter the number, that is the character is small capital, or the if user will enter the capital letter, then we have to print capital. If user will enter digit, then we have to print digit. So here we have seen the printf, then scan, then if condition. If this condition will become true, then it will print it is small, then after it will go to the directly here. So how the if and else if ladder is work. So first this condition will check. If this condition will become true, then it will print small. Then after it will not check else if and else part, it will directly come outside that. So similar way, suppose my if condition will become false and I have entered capital A. So first it will check this. If this is become false, then this will not print. Then it will go to the next else if condition. If it is my letter is capital, then print capital, and it will come to the next. So this is most important. If my if condition will become true, then else if will not check. Else if and else condition will not check. Suppose my letter is digit, then first it will check the here. If this condition will become false, then it will go to here. Then here it will check. If this condition will become false, then it will come to here, and it will check here. So my digits, and it will print digit, and it will come to directly here. So similar way, suppose I will enter the symbol of at the rate. So it will check first here. This become false, came here. This become false, came here. It will come here in the else part and print none. Then after it will print f whatever the character and at the rate sign. Okay, we have seen this. Then today we will see one more example of this 19.c. So give title in your book. Write a program to scan a number and position from user. After that, display a menu for set a bit, clear a bit, complement bit, and scan option from user according to option provided by user. Perform the task and display result. So we have to scan number and position from the user. Then after we will ask to user enter the options. Option 1 is for set a bit, option 2 is for the clear a bit, option 3 is for complement a bit. Suppose user will enter option 1. Then after what we will do? We will do set a bit only. Suppose option will set clear a bit, then we will do clear a bit. Suppose user have entered the option is 3, then we will do complement a bit. Okay, how we will do? First I will write what I will do first. I will take one integer number, position, option, then first we print, enter the number. Scanf percentage %d, comma address of number. Then printf the position. Scanf percentage %d, comma address of position. Then after what we will do? We set that printf enter option slash n. Then first option is set a bit, slash n. Second option is clear a bit. Third option is complement bit. Then scanf percentage %d, comma address of option.
Yogin,
Okay.
I have a doubt here.
Yes.
In what value will we get the bit? Like, how will we identify that? Like for option one, we are giving n1 as set a bit. So, what user will enter? Will it enter one n1, n2, n3, or will it give me the value 1, 2, 3?
1, 2, 3. That is the slash n in printf. Slash n that for the
Okay,
next
okay,
line.
okay. So basically, I'll be expecting from user the value either 1 or 2 or 3, right?
Exactly. Yes.
Okay.
Then here I will write if OP is equal to 1, then this is my first option. Else if OP is equal to 2, then my second option. Else if OP is equal to 3, then this my third option. And else wrong option selected. So in first option, what we need to do? We need to set bit. So what is the logic for set bit? Number is equal to number
or with one shifted by position. One left shift by position.
or option 2 is clear a bit, or that number is equal to number ending complement, one lap shifted by position. And here this is the complement a bit, number is equal to number XORing one lap shifted by position. And in the else we will print non option. Write down this code. One more thing we can add here. Suppose here I will ask to user enter the position. Suppose user have entered the position more than 31 number. We want position in between 0 to 31. Suppose user have entered the position number 33 or 32, 34, more than 31, anything. So that is the wrong position, right? So here we can make one more if condition, that is if position is equal to 0, not equal to, position is greater than equal to 0, and position is less than or equal to 31, then here I will remove this from here. This all things will come inside this if condition. Else condition, printf wrong. This if condition will end here, and this else is the part of first if. Now write down this complete code. Here I have did one mistake, that is the printf. Here wrong position in this code. I will enter the number 10, position 2, then set a bit complement bit 1. So my output is number is equal to 14. So I have select here first option. So here I have to put 1/n. Then again I will compile this code. Suppose my number is 10, position is 2. Then here I will select the number 4, unknown option. Suppose I will enter number 10 and position is 34. Then wrong position entered. Next is the go to control statement. Go to name itself tells that go to send, then we have to go somewhere. So go to, and here I will say local go to. This for example purpose. So within a one function only we can use this. So it is not one function to another function. So go to is the unconditional control statement. So we have seen in the two types of iterative and not iterative. In the non-iterative and non-iterative, we have two types, conditional and unconditional. So in the unconditional, go to is game. So it will not check any condition. So in within a one function, that means suppose this is my main function and this is another function. So we can use within a one function, within a main function, within a one function to another function. That is not used. Go to is. There is a two types. First one is the forward jump and another one is the backward jump. So we can see in the forward jump, this is my main function. Inside that we have written the statements. I have written go to ABC semicolon. Go to ABC then semicolon. Then I have statements here and here I have written ABC. Then after I have some statements. So whenever we will do go to ABC, then this is my label. So it will find label. So where ABC is written, it will directly go to that particular label and that this part will not execute. Go to ABC, so it will go directly to ABC and then after whatever written it will execute. Backward jump, this is my main function. Here statement and here I have written the label. Then after some statements and here I have written go to ABC. And then after some statements. So it will go to directly ABC. Whenever go to will come, so first it will execute these statements. This ABC here it will do nothing. Then here it will execute these statements and here it will go to ABC. Directly go to ABC. And then here again these statements will run. Then go to ABC. So this will my loop. So it will continuously rotating. So understood this, wherever go to, we have to write one label and it will go to that label and then after execute statements. Here in the backward jump, it is working like a loop. Okay, so here what two things we need to do. First one is the setting label. That
Yogin, I have a doubt here. We are first, ABC, we are first using and first defining it and then going to the go to statement. So, won't it create an issue? But the our code works from top to bottom. So, when we say go
yes,
to,
yes. So here it will work execute statement one, statement two, statement three, statement four like this way. Then after here ABC, so it will not do anything here. Here
okay.
it will run this part and then go to statement will come. Then after it will do part.
So you mean to say the very first time when it is executing the whatever the conditions are present under ABC label will not execute once the
It
go
will
to
execute. It will
but
execute. This will execute.
okay.
And then after we will do go to ABC. At that time it will go to the ABC. Here ABC the label meaning is that it will check when the label will come and it will run again. If label no one will call, I have not written the go to and all things. So it will run as it is normal. So this is not like a conditional. This condition will true then after only this will work like that way. So
Okay.
once I will start example, then you will understood better. Okay. Then here
Yes.
setting label. So first thing is the setting label. So we need to setting label at that time here, or if in backward jump, so we need to setting here. Next thing is the calling label. Go to label, then semicolon. So here go to then my label name and then semicolon. So it will go to that label directly. We can use label name only one time in our code. That means suppose I have written using ABC. So I have to return ABC label only one time in code. I will not write ABC here and ABC here and like that way. Only one time we can able to label name in our code and that label name only one time. Suppose I have written go to ABC and then after it, again I will write go to ABC here. So it is not working. So first we will see example of the forward jump. Then we will see the backward jump. Suppose I will take integer number printf. We have to find our number is even or odd. So here I will put one condition if number modules 2 is equal to 0, and this condition will become true. Then I will write here go to even. So even is my label name. Else go to odd. Here even, then printf number is even. Then after I will call go to and is another label. Here I will write odd. Printf number is odd. Go to end. Here printf, sorry, end. Printf, I will write here end. So here what we are doing, we are scanning number from the user. Here we are checking if number module 0, then my number is go to even. Here it will come to even, it will find the label and directly it will come here and it will print number is even, and here it will directly go to the end label. So this is my forward jump. Suppose my number is odd, at that time this condition will become false, it will come to here and directly go to the odd part. So in the odd case, this condition will check, this condition will become false, it will come to else part and it will go to odd, then print number is odd and it will go to end. So this is my forward label. So
Yogin,
write down this.
if we do
Yes.
not define an end condition, will it give me an error?
Suppose we will not define end. Here we have write in go to end. At that time it will give error.
No, if I don't use go to and at all.
No, no, that time it will not give error.
Okay.
And I will run this code. Then I have number 10 is even and end. Then I will write 11. So number is odd and end. So this example is for understanding the forward jump, how forward jump is work. So whenever we write go to and then label, so it will directly go to that particular label name and it will done that statements and that task. And here it will go to the end, so it will go to the end. So I have written end for understanding purpose only, that is not necessity. Okay, next I will write one program for the backward jump. Backward jump is working like a loop. So I'll write here. We can see in our here this example set. So in this example what we did first we check the position is greater than or equal to 0 or 0 to 31. At that time we will do, if suppose user have entered the position is 32, at the time what we are doing, we are printing here wrong position entered. But what I will do, I will make that is a like a loop. So I will write here go to ABC, and here I will write label ABC. Then again I will run this code just to see what happen. p19.c dot slash a dot exe. Suppose I have entered the position 1, sorry, control C. That that means out. Suppose my code is running and I have to stop. I have entered 1 and here I have to stop. So then shortcut is control C in your keyboard. So it will stop that execution. I will enter number to 10 and position is second. Then 1 is the setup bit. Then my number is 14. So see here, Radhika, your answer. So if everything goes smooth, then nothing will happen. This ABC meaning nothing.
Yes.
Then I will again run this code. Then I will enter number is 10 and position is 32. See here. It is continuously wrong position entered and directly it will go. Continuously it will go to the. So how we will? I will enter control C and clear this.
So
Why?
basically, backward jump indirectly gives us the infinite kind of loop, right?
Yes, yes. So here I will enter. I will not go here, but I will go to the here. And again, I will ask the position from the user. My number is now 10 and position is 32. Then here it have entered wrong position entered and again asking the position from user. Suppose I will enter 31, then my code will work fine. Then I will do clear a bit, then output is 10. So what I have did here, if wrong position entered, I will go to the ABC part and ABC is written here before the enter position. So again it will come to here and it will ask me enter position, and suppose I will enter position correct. So it will go to here part, and suppose I have entered the position again 32, then it will come to here and again it will go to the ABC like this way. Suppose some user will enter continuously wrong position. At that time this code will never complete. Correct? Suppose user don't know they want to enter the position in between 0 to 31 only. And suppose continuously enter the position wrong. Sorry, 33 I want. Number is 10 and 32, 33, 34, like that way. User is entering. So this code will never complete. We put one condition. We give user to that they need to enter only 3 times. Then after we will coming out from the our code. So what we will do here, we want one count. So we take one count is equal to 0 variable, and here in the wrong position what we will do, we will put that condition if my count is less than 3. At that time we will do go to ABC and here we will print count plus plus. So what happen, when my code will start at that time my count is 0. Here it will enter the position, and suppose my position is 32, user have entered. First time it will come to here and my count will increase to 1. So my count here is 1. So here it will check 1 less than 3, condition is true, then go to ABC. So it will come to ABC and here again user have entered the position 32 or 33, wrong position. Second time it will come here, my count is 2. So 2 less than 3, condition is true, it will go to ABC. And third time user will enter the wrong position 33, it will come to here and my count will become 3. 3 less than 3, condition will become false, then it will not go to ABC and directly it will come to here and my code will terminate. Understood this? How count will work? Whenever it will come to else part, it will increment by 1 every time. I will run this code, file code, then run, then enter number, then position is 32, enter the position 33, enter the position 34. Here my code is terminated. Okay. So here you can decorate your code like this way. You can put here else. In the else you can write printf. You have reached the 3 times. So like this way you can decorate your code. Tell to user you have entered the position 3 times. Here you can print the count number also. You have entered the position 1 time, 2 time, 3 times. In the else you can enter 3 times. So like this way our backward go to ABC, go to jump will work. So write down this condition, this count and this label in your code. Here you have to write down this count is equal to 0, then this label, and here in the else count plus plus and this condition. Okay. So there is one more thing is available inside that C library. Suppose I have to give 1 second delay. At that time there is a sleep function, inbuilt function is available. Sleep, then whatever the second at that time it will put enter delay. So sleep 1 semicolon. This is the 1 second delay. Okay. Then I will write one code. So suppose I will enter here printf hello. Then here my label is ABC. Sleep 1 printf a, then go to abc, then printf y. So what happen in this code here? First it will print hello, then this label that it will come here, it will put 1 second delay here, then it will print a, then go to abc, again it will go to abc, and it here it is 1 second delay, then hey, so continuously 1 second delay, then I will print. Write down this code. Ignore this warning. Then here you can see hello, then 1 second delay, 1 second delay. It is continuously printing. So how we can terminate this code? Press Ctrl C in keyboard, then it will terminate. Like this way, goto statement is working as a loop. One more thing about the goto statement. Suppose I will write here go to ABC, and here ABC label is there. I will put here ABC. Then here my compiler will generate error. So label should not be at the end of the function. We can able to write. So I will run this code. It is take care in VS Code or not, we can check. Here it is generating error. Label at the end of the compound statement. So we cannot write label at the end of the function. Suppose we have to write this type of dummy label at the end of the code. We have to write here semicolon. Okay, understood. So you cannot able to put label at the end of the functions. If you want to put the label at the end of the functions, so that means this is called dummy label, and you have to put semicolon at the end. So for homework, I am giving you one. You have to make one, write a program to display multiplication table of a given number. Tomorrow I will give this solution. So you have to take one number from user, and that multiplication table, suppose you have a take a number from 2, so 2 multiplication with 1 is equal to 2, 2 multiplication with 2 is equal to 4, like that, where 2 multiplication with 10 is equal to 20. That multiplication table you have to print using goto. So now you know how to do backward jump and looping concept like that way. So try by yourself, write a program to display multiplication table of a given number.